What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released on Netflix Sardar Ka Grandson. Before talking about the movie or my point of view about the situation, first we have to consider one thing also, that when we keep on watching the similar kind of movies and web series and different similar plots and genre, like we watch Sacred Game, Patal Lok, Mirzapur, so the viewers have the mindset to accept the similar kind of content, so they have high expectation from the industry, even though the industry is going through a very worst phase of their history. So we have to consider that there are some movies from different other genres also that we have to accept it without any flaws or whatever things they have it, because if we think that they will, okay, it's justify if the movies are released in theater, there is opinion, public opinion, it matters the most if the business is doing good. But right now if they are coming on the OTT network, it means they are going through a lot of financial instability between their teams, so they have to think that what they really need to come up. So it's good that they released on OTT network. Definitely I believe that the other 85 movie and other movies, they are about to be released on OTT. So the movie, I really like it because this is the only first movie of Arjun Kapoor that I really appreciated, that he got the good content. Overall, his acting is okay. We have to ignore that fact, but the story is good. The story revolves around the ordeal that the baby boomers have gone through during the time of partition, and that happened with Nina Gupta, because she is playing the role of a Sardarni. Sardar, that's what her name is. What is her name? Rupinder Kaur. So she has her memories of the past, because her husband died there, murdered there, and then she came all the way in India and settled there with her children. So Amrique is working in another company with what's the Radha, and they have a clash of opinions because he is clumsy, and thus he comes back and he got the vision that there is already a company of their family for the bicycle, and his brother is about to be the CEO. So the parents, as it happens in the family politics, that they wanted him to be the CEO, and then he said that if I will bring this house of our ancestors from Pakistan to India, it will please grandmom and she will be happy, and I will be given the position of CEO. So that's the movie is all. See his struggle, what's the ups and downs, emotions, tears, and especially the support of people, because at the end of the day it's up to or in the hands of people to choose peace, and peace is much more precious than a piece of land. And that's, I think, I believe in this one also, that we should always step forward to, means if someone is stepping one step towards us, we should step two forward, steps forward, and that's how we can remove the differences. And when the elephants fight, it's the grass that suffers the most, so the people will definitely suffer, and that happened with Sardar also, she Nina Gupta. So Rupinder Kaur suffered a lot, because at that time she had an infant, and all these memories that she have from that house, she really value that house. So that's how the thing is all about, and you will really enjoy it. And overall, because I don't know, should I share it or not? Because our grandparents, they were from Chandigarh, and when MSN and Yahoo came, we had all the brown paper, something like very old letters, post mails, and we found out the address, and then I sent my friends from there to find out the place and where they are. And they say that with the passage of time, people keep on posting and move to different places, so it was very hard. And so you can understand that grandparents, they have always hopes not on their children but on a grandson. So that's the story is all about a Sardar ka grandson who is in a quest to get that house. And I hope you really enjoyed. Good to see something fruitful, especially to bringing people together, and that's a the medicine right now we really need it during the pandemic and all the chaos that is going on. And I hope you really enjoy this movie. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great week. Take care of your loved ones, and always be thankful for the things that you have, and always appreciate others and value others. So always show grace and gratitude. Thank you so much, and have a great week. Bye bye.